everyone, today we're going to be doing this makeup look right here. I really like how this look turned out. As you guys could tell, I wanted to do a yellow or orange kind of makeup look because of my hoodie. I'm freaking hot, by the way. During this whole video, literally, I was sweating like a pig. So if you see any droplets of sweat, ignore it. But anyway, I was going to do like an orange sunset, not sunset, but something very pretty with yellow and orange. But you know how it turned out like this. It turned purple smoky eye. Love it. I literally love how it turned out though. I really enjoy, like, I would go out in the daytime looking like this. Like, no joke. Like, this is not just a nighttime look. Daytime and nighttime appropriate for me. Not for a lot of people, because I probably will call this Night Out Purple Smoky Eye makeup tutorial. I don't know. We'll figure it out. You guys already know what it's called because you clicked on it. But anyway, yeah. And if you're new, hey, how you doing? I am a horrible YouTuber, so you shouldn't subscribe, but also you should subscribe. But yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this night out, you know, glam AF, bomb AF, purple AF, smoky AF. If you want to learn how to get this look, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's just get into this video. Like, sorry, that song is literally like my favorite song right now. I don't know why, but it's literally my favorite. Like, yeah. And I have my glasses on because I needed to see what I was grabbing. I'm blind. Let's just say that. I'm blind. I can't see, I don't know what my prescription is, but I can't see far away. Not even far away. Like, I can't see far away, but like if you're like maybe like 10 feet away from me, not even, maybe 5 feet away from me, I can't see your face. Like, I'm blind, let's just say that. So you guys never see me in my glasses. I don't even know if you guys know that I'm blind, to be honest. Like, I really don't know, like, think you guys know that, but I am blind. So cool. But I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Artist Pro palette. Oh my god, hair, like, chill, like, seriously chill. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Artist Pro palette, and I'm going to grab, don't know. Actually, let's not go into this palette, because let's just not. Let's go in with this color. This is the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. I'm gonna go in with this one because this is the lightest purple that I have. So I'm gonna go in with that one. And the brush that I'm gonna be using is Poop. What should I use? I don't know. But I'm gonna grab that color and I'm just gonna put that right in my crease. This is gonna look so weird because I'm wearing a yellow freaking like hoodie, which is from Halsey. Yes, her merch from her tour. I went to go see her a while ago. So yeah, I got this. Freaking so expensive. But you know, it's okay. It's fine. Oh, let me zoom you guys in. I'm sorry. Like, I didn't zoom you guys in. I probably should. Yeah. So now what I'm going to be doing is, I don't know. What am I going to be doing? Who knows? Get yourself together, Paige. Like, seriously, you're a mess today. I am going to take this palette. Do you know what this palette is? Whatever. I'm going to be taking this palette, the Tarte Artist Pro palette. I'm going to be taking this one, which is called No Filter. Like, yeah, there's just no filter at all. When it comes to me, there's no filter. I'm going to put that in my crease because, yeah. Is it weird that I'm trying to figure out what I want to be for Halloween? Yeah. If there's any Halloween party out there, you know, call me. Yeah. Cool. I am going to go in with the Dominique palette, and I'm gonna go with the purple in the palette right here. I'm just gonna grab that, and I'm gonna put that in my crease, I guess. I don't know where I'm going with this look at all, but you know, I'm going places. Going nowhere, I'm staying home. I'm gonna put that on the outer part. Now I want to go just darker, darker, and darker, you know, just so it's very smoky and, you know, very pretty. Yeah. I'm gonna go back in with the Chart palette. I'm gonna grab this one called Drama, and cool, yeah, I'm gonna grab it. The name is called Drama, so this is just gonna make the look drama, you know. I'm horrible. I'm bad. I'm really liking how this is turning out. Like, literally, if I have to go to the store today, like, I mean, not have to, not like my parents are gonna force me to, like, I go on my own will, like, that kind of thing. I would totally wear this out. I wouldn't, like, take it off or anything. I would, like, totally wear this and be like, don't mess with me. Just don't mess with me. Like, if you, don't look at me even. Like, just stay on your side. Don't look. You know? And then I'm going to grab a flat brush and go in with the Chart palette. And then I'm going to grab this color right here, which is called Vintage. It's just a matte white. And I'm going to put that right on my brow bone. Do you think I want to go a little bit darker? So, actually, let's take a black. Is that too far? I don't think so. So I'm going to go in with a smaller brush. I'm going to grab the black in this palette right here. In the, what palette is this? Tarte palette. I was going to say Morphe. I don't know why. But yeah, cool. I'm going to grab the black in the palette just a little bit. And I'm going to, you know, just like, I'm just going to put it right here and kind of smoke it up, you know, like, I'm just going to do that, you know. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Morphe palette and the the 9C palette. And I am going to grab Purple Region, which is right here. But let me just find a brush first, and then I will apply that right on my lid. So I'm just going to take that color. Oh my god, I haven't used this at all yet, so I'm kind of really freaking excited. Just going to apply that right on the lid. I'm going to damp my brush because I feel like, I mean, it's pigmented, but it's not pigmented enough for me. Like, I can still see my lid color. So I'm just going to damp the brush with some water, grab that color, and then see what happens. I think I want to do a wing. I really think that a wing would look so bomb with this look. So I'm going to go get my liner. So I'm going to grab my Ciate London. I don't know the name. I forgot what it's called, but I'll have it down below. I'll try to figure it out what it's called, and I'll have it down below in the description for you guys, just in case you guys want to know what it's called. I'm going to do a thick long wing, and let's see how this goes. I did my full face. I did mascara, lashes. If you want to know what I use for my mascara and my lashes, I'll just like have it down below in the description for you guys, so we could just like move on to the lower lash line. I have no idea what I want to do down there, but I know I want to do something dramatic. So the first color that we're going to dive into is from the Tarte palette, and yeah, so we're going to grab, what was the first color? I think it was No Filter. I think it was this color that we grabbed first from this palette. I know it's not the first color, but I think it's the first color that we took in this palette. I think so. But I'm just going to take that and put it on the lower lash line. I think I'm only going to do stuff on the outer part of the eye, like right here, and then we're like, look straight, and then wherever your pupil is, stop right there. Now I'm going to grab the Dominique Latte palette, and I'm going to grab the purple in the palette, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. And then I'm just going to go ahead and go for the darkest purple that we went in with, which is from the Tarte palette. And yeah, that color is Drama. And I'm just going to go straight in with that, and I'm just going to put it right there, do the same exact thing what we've been doing. And then that's it for the bottom lash line. Well, mascara. And other than that, that will be it. Alright, so now what I'm going to be doing is doing the inner corner. And I want to grab this Too Faced Diamond Light highlighter. And there is a blue, no, not a blue. I mean, there is blue in here, but there's like a pink / purple. And I want to grab that, like just put it to the light, and you're going to see like different colors. You're going to see pink or purple. I don't know what, I think it's pink, but it might be purple. You're going to see blue and you're going to see green. But I'm going to grab the pink part and I'm just going to put that on the inner part of the eye just to make it pop a little bit more and kind of connect it to the lid color. I'm going to go wipe off this powder and try to find what kind of lippy and then put it on, and then I'll let you guys know what I pick once, like, after I put it on. So, yeah. It's going to be, like, maybe 20 minutes for me, but it's gonna be like for you, so BRB. Alright guys, so the lippy that I'm wearing right now is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and it's soft spoken. And then the lip gloss that is on top is this Revlon lip gloss in Sky Pink. But I really like how this makeup look turned out. Everything that I have on my eyes and my lippy will be down below in the description for you guys to go check out, just in case you guys missed anything. Girl, I really like how this makeup look turned out. I really do. And if you do also, you know what to do. Like this video or comment on this video if you like how it turned out. Yeah. I'm trying not to be that kind of person that talks a lot, because I just got a mean comment recently and it says you talk a lot. So yeah, I didn't delete it because, like, whatever. And that video was like so long ago, like a year ago literally, when I started YouTube, and I'm like, well, look at me now, I talk even more. Yeah, my social medias will be down below in the description for you guys, so if you guys want to see like pictures of this look, you know, go on my Instagram, my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, my Twitter, my Snapchat, all those social medias. I know I said them over and over again, but like, it's okay. There's gonna be links, I think, right? I think there's gonna be links. Yeah, I think I do links. Cool. But yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys. What was I saying? I don't even know. But anyway, I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I love you. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. What was that? Don't know what that was. But this color is called Double Shot. I don't know why, but I love that name. Like, I don't know why, I just love the name Double Shot. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Don't know. I'm coming, camera. I'm on my way. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. I'm back. Choking. Don't you hate when you choke on your own spit? I'm good.